Hi people, my name is Abdul Kareem. I work for ADP. Right now we are at Somajiguda Pop or Bob Center. I have been a regular customer from past 2 years, and I really like the ambience. I really like this kind of service these guys provide. You have so many items to pick from over here. You have milkshake, you have thick shake, you have bubble tea, and even if you're hungry, you have burgers, you have quick bites, you have desserts. So yes, the taste of each and every thick shake or the bubble tea or everything is really good over here. The best thing about all these things is that the popping bubbles, which really gives you the taste when mixed with the bubble tea or with the thick shake or with lemonade or any kind of stuff which you take, that it really gives you the best taste. And the food, it's really nice. These guys give good service no matter what kind of order you give. These people are very quick. They are and the kind of service they provide is awesome. So yeah, for bachelors and for family people, it's really nice. The only thing I would like to say is it's really good for even to get your family over here. Kids will love to have this kind of stuff. They would love to have the French fries. They would love to have the popping bubbles in their mouth pop. So yeah, it's a very good thing for your kids. So do come with your families and have the best taste. So yep, these are the best things which you would have love to have compared to other things compared to the other services which you get over here. I would say this is the best, and this has been growing recently very quickly. Now a new center has been opened in Vijayawada as well. So in total, all over in Hyderabad and Vijayawada, there are 7 centers where you can get this kind of stuff. So yes, people from all around the places and the nearby places can also go and have this kind of stuff.